July 2020. It's a bright and beautiful morning. Wonderful day for us to continue with maths. Maths is fun. Okay. Is there anyone who did the homework for us yesterday? The homework for yesterday? Remember yesterday we were talking about word problems. We talked about it is maths put in sentences. Okay, so we used three.
Ma'am, you are speaking very softly.
Am I soft?
We can't hear you, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to shout or I'm going to use my headphones. Please tell me if it's better.
A little bit, ma'am.
Is it better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you
Yes,
very much.
teacher.
Thank you so much for the feedback. All right. Remember, we said that we use more than one method to solve our problems. The first method that we did yesterday, we said that when you're given a problem, you are going to draw.
You see they will still have the same sound. You will still have the long vowel and it will
your answer. Can you hear me better now? Okay, here is the next method. The second method, we said that we are going to use addition. You put your numbers together and you add them to get your answer. And then the third method, remember we said that we use multiplication, right? So if you have mastered your times table, that will come handy when you do your multiplication. The calculator is the last resort. You'll just use it only when you want to check your answer. Well done, well done. Let's look at the next slide. Okay, I see. Aurora, can you hear me better now?
Hi, teacher. You're still very soft on this end.
Is it?
Yeah, you're not coming through, and we can hear the participants in the background as well, but and sometimes your voice is...
Small, it's okay. I tried using the headphones today thinking that it will be better. I'm going to remove the headphones. Tell me if it is better, and then we will see how we make this work. Okay, is it better now, Aurora?
Still soft.
You're still soft, teacher.
It's soft.
Yes.
Oh, we'll make another plan. I'll try to speak louder, but I'm sure we'll try another method. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. All right. Okay, I want us to count in twos. Okay, we are going to count in twos. There we go. Two up to 50. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Is it better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it better?
Yes, teacher. Much
Okay.
better.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so
There
much.
is something on the screen saying, please move this window away.
Okay. We are going to count backwards. We are going to start from 77. Okay. We are going to start from 77 up to 33. Shall we go? 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44,
48,
43. Look at the cursor. 42,
42,
41,
41,
40,
40,
39,
39,
38,
38,
37, 36, 35, 34, 33. Well done. We have counted backwards from 77 to 33. Now let's look at our next slide. Now we are going to talk about halving the numbers, where you cut your number into two. All right. And then this is the strategy that we are going to use. We are first going to count. We are going to count the numbers or the pictures that we are given. And then step 2, we are going to divide. Right. Now let's see how we are going to do that. All right? There we have a bag of marbles. Yes, okay. What are we going to do with the marbles? We are first going to count the marbles, okay? Let's count the marbles row by row, starting from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we've got 10 marbles in our bag. Remember, we said we are talking about halving. We want to halve the numbers. What is the half of these 10 numbers?
To
10
divide.
marbles? Yes.
5.
You can say divide. Let's
5.
see. I hear 5.
Divide.
I want you to check me if I am correct. We want to divide. So how are we going to divide? We divide these marbles, and somebody said our answer is 5. I want you to check if that's correct. There we go. We have used our scissor there. We have divided, or we have cut them into 2.
It's 5.
It's 5. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. You are correct. So when you halve or when you divide, then
Teacher,
that's why we got 5. Okay.
and 10 divided by 2 is 5.
What were you saying?
10 divided by 2 is 5.
That's correct. Remember, we said there are so many methods of solving our any maths problem. So what is important? Remember, we said it's the understanding. So if you know that it's 10 divided by 2, it's 5 away. That's great. But
Yes, ma'am.
it's also important for us to go step by step. Okay, now we've got some lollies there, our candy. Let's see how many are they. Can anyone see how many they are?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Teacher,
6,
12.
7, 8, 9,
12.
12.
I hear 12. Let's see. Okay, we have counted. You've counted on your own. Okay, how many candies do we see? That's
12.
correct. The candies are 12. So now we want to divide or we want to half the candies. Okay, we want to see if we what is 12 divided by 2?
Teacher, it's 6.
6.
I hear 6. I want you to
6.
check me. I want you to check me
6.
if I'm correct. Okay, there's my
1, 2,
scissor.
3, 4,
1,
5,
2,
6.
3, 4, 5. You are
6.
correct. It's 6. You said 6. Okay. If you cannot do it mentally, when you cut it into half, you are able to see your answer. And then later on, you will pick up that indeed 12 divided by 2 is 6. Well done. Okay, let's go to our next slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's have some numbers. Okay, we've got some yummy Easter eggs there. Okay, let's quickly count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
13, 14,
6,
There are
7,
24.
17, 18,
19,
19,
20,
20, 21, 22, 23.
24.
I hear 23 and I hear 24.
24.
Okay. 24, yes. Is there anyone who knows the counting in fours?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, if you quickly want to count in fours, you can say it's 4,
8,
8, 12,
12,
12, 12,
20,
24.
and 24. Yes, we've double checked
24.
ourselves now. It is 24.
24 divided by 2 is 12.
24 eggs. Well
Teacher,
done.
half of 24 is 12.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Who's speaking now?
Rita Bisite.
Oh, Ritabisita. Okay, now let's see. Now we want to divide, or we want to have this 24 eggs. Okay? We say
24 divided by 2 is
divided by
12.
2, it's 12. Okay, let's see if I use my scissor. I've used my scissor there. You can see it's 3 on the side, 3 on the side. It's half. Okay, what do you think is our answer? I know some have already told me. We are double checking now. Ne? 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, let's see. That's correct. Well done. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So you can see that you can actually have your numbers. We can share our numbers, and then we can also divide anything that we have. Okay. Well done. Let's look at the next slide. Some more numbers. We've got some dogs there. How many dogs do we have there? Remember we first count?
16.
I hear 16.
16.
I hear another 16. Okay, let's double check.
15.
We have counted.
16. 16.
All right. Let's quickly check our multiples of 4. It's 4, 8,
16 divided by 2 is 8.
16. We are still counting, Rita Bisite, so that because I had somebody say 15. So we have seen there that it is actually 16 dogs. Okay. Now we want to divide. Right.
16 divided by 2 is 8.
Okay, let's see. Let's check your answer.
It has to be 8.
Because
I like that. Okay, we've used our scissor there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
8.
8. Well done. Well done, boys
8.
and girls. It is 8. Good. Okay. Let's look at some more numbers. How many pictures do we have there?
18, I think. 18. 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9.
Okay. Quickly counting in threes. 3,
24.
6, 9,
9, 10,
12, 15,
6, 9, 12,
16.
18.
18. That's correct. The monsters are 18. Okay. All right.
18 divided by 2 is 9.
We want to divide now. Okay.
18 divided by 2 is 9.
I have. Now let's look at the scissor. There goes my scissor. We are now checking the answer. I've heard you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. It's 9.
9. The answer is 9. Well done. Okay. So let's look at our next slide. Okay, all right. So if somebody can ask you if you can divide or if you can cut numbers after this lesson, would you be able to help them?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good,
Yes,
good.
teacher.
Yeah, remember what's good is that just keep on practicing, practicing, practicing. Even if with your toys, you can have them there and just divide them to be sure that you remember what half
You can do that
numbers.
easy, ma'am.
Easy, well done. Who's
It's
speaking?
easy, very easy.
Very easy, well done. Okay, then you will be able to help your friends. Okay, so now we are going to do some quick addition. We have there 25 plus 10. Okay, 25 plus 10, Divu.
It's teacher, I know the answer. 35?
Okay. I hear
35.
35.
I hear another 35. So I want one of you to tell
Teacher?
us how you got.
Teacher,
35.
can I tell you how I use my fingers? Teacher?
Okay, let's hear.
I took my fingers and I counted
So did
how
I.
much is it.
Time.
Teacher, can I tell you how I did
Yes.
get the answer?
Just a minute, I will tell you. Okay. All right, tell us how you got the answer.
I did write 25 plus 10, and I did say 5 plus 0 is 5, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and it's equal to 35.
Okay, 35. Well done. Okay. Let's see if you're correct. Our answer there, 35. Okay. The next one is 100 plus 10. I'm sure
Equals
this is
110.
110. Well done. Well done. It is 110. Oh, okay, there's a 0 there. 110. We'll stretch the box. Okay. Sorry about that. 34 plus 21. What is
45.
45? What is somebody saying? I hear 45.
55.
I hear 55. Anyone who wants to try?
Yeah, just
Keep this running and just keep the
It is 55. 4 plus 1, it's 5. 3 plus 2, it's 5. And our answer is 55.
55.
That's correct. Well done. Okay. So let's see some more fun with numbers. 53 plus 27. 53 plus 27.
60.
I hear 60. Aurora. Anyone? I had 60. Anyone who's got a different answer?
80.
It's what?
Must be 80.
Here 80. Let's get the last one and then we'll check our answer. Okay, let's see. There's 80. 3 plus 7 is 10. So you put your 0 there and you carry your 1 or your 10th. So it's 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then your answer is 80. Well done. Let's look at our next sum. 100.
120. It's 120. It's 120.
120.
Yeah.
120.
120. There's something missing there. You can see
120.
there must be a 20 there, and there must be 120. Hey, technology. But you are the best, boys and girls. Great. Let's see this one. 51 plus 12.
51 plus 12.
This girl takes it.
Is it 63?
63.
I am talking.
It's
Okay.
63.
I had 63. Okay, let's check. Our answer.
53.
I think
63.
no, it's a tough.
All right, okay. I want you to check your answers and then put yourself, put a big tick for yourself. Yes, it is 63. 1 and 2 is 1 plus 2 is 3, and 5, which is a 10, or you can say it's 50. It's 50 plus, where's the answer? 50 plus 10, it's 60. So we put it at 6 there, and then our answer is 63. Okay, now let's go to subtraction. Okay, 47 minus 10. Anyone who can tell me what is 47 minus 10? 47.
37.
37. Okay. Need to check my answer, and you will put a tick for yourself. Okay, there we go. 37. Okay. Is there anyone who can tell us? Obichi, do you want to tell us how you get 37?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell us. Please tell us.
You take
Obichi?
3. You take away 3. And you take away 7. And you take away 7. That gives you 37.
Okay, you take 7, you start with the left hand side. On your units, you go to 7 there, you take away 0. If you've got 7 marbles, you nothing, 0, you are left with 7 there. Good. And then 4, and you take away 1, then you are left with 3 there. 37. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, wow, this looks a bit easy. 100
190.
minus
10.
90.
10.
Okay,
10.
I hear 10. I hear another 10. Okay, I want you to check my answer. You are going to mark me now, okay? Yes, my answer is 10. Okay, then you put a big tick for yourself there. Well done. It is 10. Okay, 100. Remember, now we are not adding anymore. We are subtracting. We are taking out. All right, now let's see the next one. 54 minus or take away 23. Let's see what's the answer. Anyone who can tell me what's the answer? Anyone who wants to tell us what's the answer? Paul?
17.
17.
17. all agree that it's
31.
I hear 31. I heard 70 and I heard 31. Anyone who wants to try again?
7.
How much?
37.
37. Okay. All right. I'm going to show you my answer and then we're going to work it out. Let's see. Right. Let's go. 31.
No,
Somebody
that
said-
one.
Remember, we are taking out, and you always start with the number
31.
which is well done. Let's double check. You always start with the number which is on your right hand side. So we say 4, take away 3. You can even use your finger. 4, you take away 3, you are left with 1. Okay, there's our 1 there. And then we go to the left hand side, our tens, 5, take away 2, you are left with 3. There you go. And that's how one way of getting your 31. Okay, remember, we practice, and we'll see that maths is fun. Okay, now 27 minus 5. Anyone can tell me what is 27 minus 5?
22.
I hear 22.
22.
I hear another 22.
22.
I hear another 22. Okay, now you're going to check me. Right, let's see.
22.
Good. Remember, you always start on the right hand side with your units. So a number like 5, if, like you see, it's just 5, but it's like there's nothing there on in front. It's a 0. It's nothing. So we say 7 minus 5. With your finger, 7 minus 5, it's 2. There is your 2. And then you go to your number 2 there, and 2 take away nothing. It's 2. That's correct. It's 22. Let's go to the next one. 68 minus 18. Anyone who can tell us what is 68 minus 18?
58.
I hear 58.
50. 50.
I hear
15.
50.
15.
I
15. It's 50.
50. Okay,
8
let's quickly.
minus 0 is
50.
8 minus
50.
Well
0
done, good.
in
All right. I've heard your answer.
6. And
I want
6 minus 1 is 5.
50.
I had 50. Okay, you're going to check me, ne? You are going to tick me. Oh, 50 there. Remember, 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 1, it's 5. Well done. Okay. The next one, 49 minus 24. Anyone who can try that for us? Nine minus 4 is, if you can use your fingers, 9 minus 4. That's correct. And then 4 minus 2.
5. 25.
I had 25. I want you to,
25.
yes, I want you to check me and see if I'm correct. There we go, 25. A big tick for you and a thumbs up for you. Well done. Okay, now homework. All right. So,
Homework.
yes, there's homework. Divide the following numbers by counting and then dividing. I know some of you can quickly do it and get the answer, but I want you to follow the steps. The first thing that you're going to do in the first picture, you're going to count those insects, give me the number, and then divide them by 2. Share them, divide them by 2, and give me the answer. Okay? And this picture here as well, count how many they are, and divide by 2. And those kids there, count how many they are, write the number, then divide by 2, and give us the answer. And those lovely ducks there, you count them, and then you divide by 2. That is your homework, which you are going to send it to me on this email address.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
0109@gmail.com. Boys and girls, it was so lovely having you in class today. And I say, maths is fun. Do have a lovely weekend.
It's fun.
Thank you,
Maths is
ma'am.
fun.
Bye.
We'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.